All right, round 2. She's flying great. The plane is back from the dead.
Full speed nose crash.
Yeah, it was. It looks great against the mountain.
Yeah.
Try and get it against there. I like the way it looks. That is the spirit of Palm Springs. It looks so good against those mountains. We got a beautiful sky too. Looks good against the blue and white, you know. Now that must be much more fun than the other bullshit the other day.
It is.
It's acting the way you want, you know. It's got great attitude. Look at it, so steady. And there goes your battery. And there goes the flight characteristics. Hey, batteries fell out. You gotta tape it.